the west, and the east. Let's jump in between, shall we? Salam all and welcome to Istanbul, Turkey, the city that used to be the capital of three empires, the Roman, the Byzantine and the Ottoman. This city is over 2,500 years and this is the most visited city in 2023 according to some European sources. As we walk onto Sultanahmet Square, we can see the Blue Mosque in front of us. The area surrounding the square is one of the most popular tourist sites in Istanbul. For anyone who doesn't know, there's only one blue mosque and the other similar looking mosque opposite it is the Hagia Sophia Grand Mosque, which we are heading to right now. Constantinople was Istanbul's old name and Hagia Sophia was a church previously. When the Ottoman took over in the 1400s, it's then converted to a mosque. Let's go in and have a look. You see those tall pointy towers? They are called minarets and only added after the Byzantine Empire fell to the Ottomans in 1453. Minarets serve as an Islamic landmark as well to project Muslim call to prayer. Hagia Sophia has 4 minarets by the way. Being a church before, there are some Christian elements that were still preserved, said to be ordered by Sultan Mehmed the Conqueror not to remove them. You can see a mosaic of Jesus at the entrance of the prayer hall.
MashaAllah guys, we're at Hagia Sophia Grand Mosque now. It was previously a church but it converted into the mosque. Now it's kind of a museum. You know that people still do their prayers over here.
Another Christian symbol, these are seraphims or believed to be equivalent to angels. An image of Mother Mary and Jesus is also covered behind the white robe. Being a mosque now, you will find Quranic calligraphy inside. On the right is the word Allah, which means God, and on the left is Muhammad, our Prophet, peace be upon him. It's worth taking back some of these information booklets as a souvenir. It's like a mini Nat Geo magazine specially made for Hagia Sophia. As we head to the front prayer area, you can see the mihrab to indicate the Qibla in the direction on which Muslims pray. It's slightly located to the right, as Hagia Sophia's initial construction is the church, not the mosque. After Zuhur prayers, let's appreciate the interior of this historical monument once again before we head out. Outside of the Hagia Sophia Mosque, you can see the Sultanahmet Mosque or the Blue Mosque at the other end. Please be reminded that both the Blue Mosque and Hagia Sophia are built more than 1,000 years apart. Hagia Sophia in the 500s and the Blue Mosque in the 1600s. Unfortunately, at my time of visit, the Blue Mosque is under construction, so this will be for another video on another day, inshallah. Within the area of the Blue Mosque is also the tomb of Sultan Ahmed. A tomb is a Muslim tomb or a grave. Let's have a look at the people buried here. Done for the day at Sultanahmet Square, I head out quickly on foot to cross the famous Galata Bridge. Gone are the days where it's only a people crossing bridge. Now cars, trams and trains can easily cross between Sultanahmet area and Taksim area. You can find various restaurants and cafes here and enjoy freshly caught fish and other typical Turkish dishes. It's a great place to see the coming and going of the boats as the patient fishermen sell their catch to the local restaurants. After crossing about 15 minutes from the bridge, we reach Galata Tower. I'll visit it tomorrow in the daytime. For now, we will continue walking till we reach another hotspot of Istanbul. Welcome to Istiklal Avenue. Located in the heart of Istanbul, the whole stretch is a bustling 1.4 km long pedestrian avenue connecting Taksim Square to Galata Square. Istiklal Avenue stands as a social epicenter where locals and tourists converge for daytime shopping, evening entertainment, and an overall immersive urban experience. Renowned for its diverse architecture, the street showcases a harmonious blend of late Ottoman and early Republican structures, creating a visual journey through Turkish history. It's a living testament to Istanbul's cultural richness, architectural heritage, and vibrant urban life. I'll walk right to the end where my hotel is located and give it a rest for tomorrow. After Fajar, I head out to Taksim Square for a short stroll near Taksim Mosque. Just like any other tourist traps, this man threw some seats to the pigeons so I can take a video with a flocking effect. He demanded some money, of course, which I gave 100 Turkish lira, which is about 3 USD. He demanded more, which I refused multiple times, and he walked away after that. I boarded the train from Taksim station to visit the next destination, the Grand Bazaar, arguably the oldest covered market in the world and regarded as one of the first shopping malls as well. The Grand Bazaar in Istanbul is a historic and expensive covered market dating back to the 15th century. Spanning over 4,000 shops across 61 streets, it offers a diverse array of Turkish goods, including textiles, jewellery, spices, and ceramics. The market's vibrant atmosphere, traditional tea houses, and architectural charm make it a captivating cultural and shopping destination for visitors from all around the world. Now let us leave the normal touristy stuff and let me bring you to the most exciting area of the bazaar, the antique market. The antique market provides a delightful experience for those seeking rare and nostalgic finds from different eras. Here you can already see some Christian themed stuff from the Byzantine or Roman era. You will find loads of Ottoman themed items as well. I'm not too sure of the authenticity of all the items, but it's definitely a worthwhile and interesting visit. This area actually features a diverse range of antique items, including ceramics, textiles, and collectibles. I truly recommend to visit this area, which offers a unique glimpse into Turkey's rich cultural heritage. In total, I spent just over 2.5 hours to try to cover as much area of the bazaar as possible and get all the souvenirs I need. As we try to find the exit from the few confusing alleys, we move on quickly to hop onto the next destination. About a kilometer walk away near the Sultanahmet area, we reach the Topkapi Palace. After getting our audio guide and queuing up for tickets, we head out to explore. Topkapi Palace served as the main residence and administrative headquarters of the Ottoman Sultans for nearly 400 years. It's constructed in the 15th century, and the palace boasts an impressive blend of Islamic, Ottoman, and European architectural styles. Join me in this mini walkthrough through the palace's interiors. Set against the backdrop of this historic city, Topkapi Palace features beautifully adorned courtyards, opulent chambers, and lush gardens. The palace complex encompasses various buildings, including the harem, where the royal family resided, and the imperial council chamber, where crucial decisions were made. Just beside the harem lies the courtyard for the Sultan's wives and also the apartment of the Sultan's mother. With its rich history and stunning design, Topkapi Palace stands out as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a significant symbol of the Ottoman Empire's grandeur. The Topkapi Palace also includes a chamber of the sacred relics. You will find a collection of extremely sacred religious artifacts associated with Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and other significant figures in Islam. After the palace, I followed the same route back to cross Galata Bridge to climb Galata Tower. Apparently, the famous salt beer restaurant is just below the tower, if you're interested to try their famous steaks. The Galata Tower is an iconic medieval stone tower standing tall at about 67 meters. At the top, the tower offers panoramic views of the city and the Bosphorus Strait. Initially built in 1348, it has served various purposes throughout its history, including a watchtower, prison, and observatory. Today, the Galata Tower is a popular tourist attraction, drawing visitors with its historical significance and stunning vistas of Istanbul. I leave you guys to enjoy the views for now. As we head down and stop by the mini museum on each floor of the tower, I couldn't grasp the idea that I'm leaving this majestic city in a few hours. A truly recommended destination, and inshallah, I'll be back here again in the near future. Thanks for watching. I hope you were able to appreciate it. Please consider to subscribe if you're new, and don't forget to like. God bless and take care.